Am I on? I don't know, dude. I think I am. Yeah, I'm on.
Nice.
It's a pike. It's a big one too.
Pike?
Well, yeah, decent one. Looks pretty decent. Come on, dude. I'm on my ultralight.
Are you?
Yeah. Yeah, probably a 5-pounder. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Such a fucking pussy. Okay. All right. Hook cleared. All right, buddy. First fish of the day. She's a beauty. Slimy. There you go, buddy. The fuck was that? From that guy?
I just don't. I thought the same thing too when I heard it.
It just fucking came out of nowhere. Come on.
Are you?
Yeah. He's going where he wants to go. It's a decent pike. It might be my record pike.
Yeah. Yeah.
Surfaced. Try not to horse him. I don't want to lose my lure. Maybe not my record. Maybe. I don't know. No. Oh! He's like, fuck you. I had quite a few follows in here. Jerkbait. The chrome jerkbait, my famous chromie. Oh, It is the biggest. It has to be the biggest one I've ever caught. And he's off the hook. Even fucking better. Oh. No, no, don't jump out. No, jump out. Oh, he's got to be at least 5-10 pounds. He's a chunk. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. No, you're not getting away from me like that, dude. I can barely hold him. What do you think? Are you on?
No.
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? 8 pounds, maybe? I'm guessing. I'm guessing.